Artoonza.
Hey, 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 rainbow dreamers and unicorn believers. Before we do anything, I need you to smash that like button like it's a pop-it bubble. You know you want to. Now, close your eyes and imagine a unicorn, but not just any unicorn. This one is living its best life inside a rainbow pop-it fidget, popping glitter bubbles and absolutely zero regrets. Sounds unreal? That's because it is unreal. And we're drawing it anyway.
So cute.
I grabbed my trusty black marker, some glitter that will probably end up in my cereal by tomorrow. Gold, pink, blue, green, yellow, silver, and red. Yes, all of them. We don't do boring here. And yes, I also brought a tiny little vacuum because glitter and I have a complicated relationship. Now buckle up, because once this unicorn comes to life, we're grabbing our highlighters and painting this beauty into the most jaw-dropping, eye-popping rainbow explosion you've ever seen. Trust me, you do not want to leave before the colors come out to play. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Our unicorn woke up fierce, painted in bold red courage. Then blushed pink, sweet and dreamy. Give us a big thumbs up. Purple crept in like royalty, whispering, I run this rainbow. If this unicorn starts popping itself, I'm leaving. Blue dove in cool as the sky, calm but make it magical. Green popped in fresh like spring. Did that bubble just wink at me? Yellow burst in like pure sunshine. This is so amazing.
So cute.
Orange closed the story with a wink. I'm the sweetest ending. This poppet is now the poppiest, sparkliest masterpiece ever. Big kiss, superstars. Wait, don't go. Click another video. We've got crazier drawings hiding here.